Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to use one incredible app I just found on the internet. It's a very nice app. Just let me know in the description below if you like the application. I know you're gonna love it. So with no further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to use the app and how to get the app and how the app works. With phone. So first thing I would like to say is don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click on, if you have not subscribed and you're watching this video, just click on the notification bell, the subscribe button to subscribe and get more video related to this. Now if you're a graphic designer or web developer, you see front somewhere and you like to get that exact front, you don't know how to, or you don't know the name of the front, this app is a very incredible app that will do that for you. It's a very beautiful and strong app. So what the title of the app is, the name of the app is What the Front. This is it right here. Let me open it. So it works in two functions. You take a snapshot of the front you want, or you upload a picture. I will just use the both. So this is a sticker on my laptop. So I will just snap. Going to snap now. It's going to process the information. The picture I snapped is very blurry because of my flashlight, so I'm going to retake another picture this time around. I will off the flashlight, so I will just snap. You can see it has highlighted the position of pictures on the sticker. So what I have to do is I'll just select a particular one. Let's assume it's just this front I want, this box I'm moving now. I'll just click on this box, click on the center blue button to proceed. Then you should check the internet for text related to that. So you can see exactly the same text. I think this serial H italic is what we need, exactly the same. So you can see it's a very powerful text. So now you know the name of the app, the name of the text, and you can download it from my fonts. So this is it. This is the name of the app. This is the name of the front, sorry. So the other way is pick. For this to adjust, this to rotate. Let's assume you don't get the angle well. So let me go back. So the other option, you click on this photo icon by the left hand side. So you can see pictures on my phone. I will click on this document here. Then I will rotate the document. Okay, so I have what I want. I'll click on proceed. Now it's analyzing the text. Let me just pick one of these. Then I'll click on proceed. So you can see the front. All the front are related. You can just pick one that matches it to give you a lot of suggestions that you can download them. You can go and search for them on the internet on free icon sites. Then you get the icon for free. So thanks guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the like button if you like this video.